everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy with another project. Tonight I wanted to upcycle this tin can I had. So this is what I use. Let's get started. So the first thing I did was take this clearance paint I found at Michael's and paint all of the can on the outside, bottom and all of the sides. Then while that dried, I took this cork and I took my little Fisker's drill and I drilled a hole all the way into the center. And then I took a bamboo skewer just to put it through, just to make sure that it goes all the way through. Ta-da. And then I set that aside. Then I took my handy dandy mold and I put some hot glue in it. This is a fondant mold, but chocolate molds work beautifully as well. And I only did the 3 flowers. Look at how cute they are. And then once those come out, I paint each the same color as the can. Then I take my crocodile and I pop a couple holes in the can, one on either side. I tried to make it even, but you know me, I'm off and everything I do is too. But the crocodile works like a dream when it comes to popping a hole in the metal. It's really cool. All right, so I did that. And then after I did that, excuse me, I took some, this is wired jute, but you could use wire, you could use a paper clip, you could use almost anything. And I put it through the hole and I twisted one side. And then I put the wired jute I put the cork on the wired jute, and I figured out how much of a handle I wanted. This could vary, you know, depending on your likes. And then put the other side of the jute, the wired jute, inside the hole. And then all I did was twist it around itself to make a cute little handle. Isn't that fun? I suppose I could have used wood beads in the center if you didn't have a cork. That's fine too. But this is just, you know, what I had in my head. And then the excess I just cut off with a wire cutter. Scissors will work too. It's just going to take a little bit more effort. And there's that. Ta-da! This alone looks cute to me. I mean, but then I took those little molds I did and put some hot glue on the back and arranged them. I tried to put them in the center, but yeah, I know. They're off. Just like me. And again, and when I glue them, I actually, because it melts the glue a little bit on the mold, I actually push it down so that it forms more towards the can. Ta-da! And there's that. Okay, so after I do that, then I go through with, now this looks really cool right like this, I think. But then I took a dry brush and some white chalk paint, and I just went through and just added a little bit more dimension. And it looks a little more primitive, you know, that's my vibe. But if that's not yours, leave it be. But look at how cute this is. I can't even stand it. I got the brush at Dollar Tree, and the paint is a chalk paint I got at Michael's. So friends, that's it. Add some flowers and you're done. Have a great night.